beg for your forgiveness for my cruelty towards you. I take all the blame. In our life, one's duty is above one's own will.
Only a few times sisters were allowed to leave and start their own order.
Who will replace you?
Sister Agnieszka.
Good morning, Mother!
You will inspire thousands of others to save millions and millions of lives. The letter arrived. Thank you. I will also have to leave. There is no reason for you to leave. I'm pregnant. I fell in love. Love? What do you know about love? I will not participate in your scheme. How can I stay here? You have betrayed both God and me.
There are people who will do it regardless of the law. She'll go to them, and she might die.
No one will ever know. Just you, the Dr. Kumar, and I. And God. And God. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Could it be that the devil sent me a child? A temptation that wants to distract me from my mission. I will save millions of lives.
In God's eyes, one life equals a million.